Uy, mataas ang pasa pero nakuhuli ni Don Ontiveros. Titira na tres! Another spectacular lang. Division ni Don Ontiveros para i-back up yung import as Arrigo finally drills in his own. Here's Don Ontiveros from top of the key. That's his second. Ayun na naman si Ontiveros! Yes! Still another PLDT-NDD long distance shot. Alam niyo naman ito si Don. Ikaw may sabi niya na. Si Tommy Manotok mo nang sabi mo. Samantala, another three-point shot. PLDT. Here comes Dino Pumarin. Ontiveros na naman! Don Ontiveros
on
already
fire
has
the shots of
Arrigo fires a spectacular Pumarin. Looking at Bong Hawkins. Hindi may pasa ron binabas kay Don Ontiveros. Biglang tumira na tres! Yes! That's a spectacular. Panglima yan ni Don Ontiveros from three-point land.
Talagang parang free throw sa kanya ngayon yung three-point land.
Oh. And so that you know you're aware of the situation. Arrigo down. Sabi nga natin, nabati natin nung bago mag-umpisa na parang on a slump. Itong si Don Ontiveros, sabi niya, napansin niyo pala. Sige, I'll break out of the slump.
Narinig tayo.
No. 3-on-1. Kevin Freeman handing it up to Don Ontiveros with a reverse layup. At lumalayo na to hand it off and it's stolen by Badgett to Arrigo. Oh, nice layup. Nice fast break play by John Arrigo despite the fast break ng Alaska Aces. Perfectly executed here. And John Arrigo, ayun, hindi na humabol sa Kevin Freeman. Sabi niya, sige, sa'yo na yan. So that on the slow-mo play brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it.
Off-tail itong import ng Alaska si Badgett.
Ontiveros from the outside. Two-point shot sapagkat tumapak sa linya. But Ontiveros already with 19 points in this game.